guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be sharing even more deals for CVS this week. I wanted to break it up into two separate haul videos because there were so many amazing deals. It would have wound up being like a 30-minute video, which I know would have been a little excessive. So I thought I would just break it up into two videos and do two different CVS hauls for you guys. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. So make sure you take a second, hit that red subscribe button, completely free to subscribe, and it helps my channel so much. So we have even more beauty deals that we are gonna do today. The first CVS haul, if you haven't checked it out, I will link it below in the description box as well as at the end of the video. We got some more beauty deals and we got some Dove body wash, which was free, and a moneymaker deal, which is absolutely amazing. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. There's completely separate deals in that video than what I'm gonna do today and show you guys. We have more freebies, of course, and we are gonna be getting some pretty nice makeup. We got Neutrogena in our first video. We're gonna be grabbing L'Oreal Paris today. So that alone, you could put together a really cute makeup basket, beauty basket, something like that for a loved one. And I think that would be a really great idea. And it's not gonna cost you nearly full price at all. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of more deals this week at CVS. Always make sure your first stop is the coupon center at CVS. Type in your phone number or scan your card with the little scanner. That way you can print out any extra, or not any extra bucks, beauty bucks will print here, CRTs and instant coupons for the week. We do have a Maybelline instant coupon, so let's check it out and see what we have. Wet n Wild is another great deal this week at spend 10, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 3. We're just gonna go ahead and do this deal once. We are going to be grabbing one of these eyebrow products. I really like these and they're only $4.49. So we're gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna get this color. Then we are gonna come down here and grab one of these lipsticks. They are only $1.79. So I'm gonna grab this guy. And then we are also gonna grab one of these mascaras. They are $3.89. That is gonna bring us to $10.17. I do have this 4 off of 10 Wet n Wild CRT that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna pay $6.17, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $1.17 for 3 items, or about 40 cents each. For L'Oreal this week, great deals. They are spend 12, get a $4 extra buck, limit of 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal twice. So that way I'll be getting back an $8 extra buck. We are gonna grab one of these Infallible Lip. They're $10.79. So I went ahead and grabbed the Mon Caramel color. Then we are gonna come over here, grab some eye products. We're gonna grab one of these Infallible eyeliners. There's some really cool colors here. They're $9.79. And we have this $2 off one digital coupon. Then we are gonna grab one of these voluminous mascaras at $9.49. That'll bring us to $30.27. And we have this $2 off one L'Oreal printable coupon. So I'm gonna use this as well. Then I have this $5 off L'Oreal Cosmetic CRT, and I have this 10 off of 30 L'Oreal Cosmetics. So total is $30.27 for all 3 products. After all CRTs and coupons, we are gonna be left to pay $11.27. Then we're gonna get back an $8 extra buck because for every 12, we get a $4 extra buck, and we're spending more than $24. We're at $30. So we're gonna get back an $8 extra buck, making it $3.27 for 3 items, or about $1.09 each. Now, we're also gonna be getting a $3 beauty buck just from this deal alone because we're spending over $30 on beauty products. So now, instead of our total being $3.27, it is down to 27 cents for 3 products, or 9 cents each. Now remember, that beauty buck will hit your account within about 48 hours after you check out. So we have even more beauty deals at CVS. We did a ton in our first haul, and we have even more to do in our second haul. So CoverGirl is buy 2. This week, we're gonna get a $7 extra buck, limit of 2. So what I'm gonna do is come over here, and let me see. Okay, so the eyebrow pencils right here are the cheapest item. They're $6.49 at my store, but my store is out, unfortunately, so I was gonna grab one of those. Instead, I am gonna grab these Perfect Blend pencils here. They're $6.99. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. We also have this $3 CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. So make sure you clip that, send it to your card. The other item we're gonna grab is one of these concealers right here at $7.79. We also have a separate $3 face CoverGirl digital coupon as well. Make sure you clip that one. So let's go over the totals. So for these two items, it brings us to $14.78. We have $6 in digital coupons. If you have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT or cosmetic CRT, you can definitely add that in with your CoverGirl deal this week. I just don't have any to use. So the way I'm doing it, very beginner friendly. We're gonna pay $8.78. Then we're gonna get back the $7 extra buck. Of course, you can always pay with extra bucks. Final cost is $1.78 for both, or about 89 cents each. And this will continue to track towards CVS Beauty. Now we're gonna pick up some hair care deals. We are gonna grab some Tresemme. So as you can see, they do not have a lot left at my store. They're regular price and they're buy one, get one half off. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these bottles because they're cheaper. They're $4.99. Now you have to buy 3. They're buy one, get one half off. When you buy 3, you get a $5 extra back. So 2 will be $4.99, 1 will be $2.49. So we're gonna grab 3 of those. We do have a $4 off 2 coupon we got in our Unilever insert. There was a $2 digital, but I've already used it, so I don't know if it's still valid or what the expiration date would be, but definitely check it out. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you still have that coupon and when it expires, because that of course will make this deal even better for you. So that's the only coupon I have. I'm gonna pay $8.47. Then we're gonna submit it to Shopkick for 1,100 kicks when you buy 2. Now you have to buy 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner to be able to get that rebate. If you're new to Shopkick, here is my code, and it is an amazing app to use. A lot of people ask me. It's completely free to download, so you may as well download it. You'll get some extra cash back as well. No harm, no foul. So that'll give us back 1,100 kicks. You multiply that by 0.004, it's $4.40 back. And we're gonna get a $5 extra back. This also tracks towards CVS Beauty. Our final cost now is gonna be completely free and a 92-cent moneymaker, which is awesome for some hair care. Now we're gonna do our PG deal this week. For spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what I'm gonna do is grab 3 of the smaller Pantenes. They're 3 for $12. And in the PG insert we got today, we have a $5 off 3 coupon, which is awesome. Last month it was 3 off 3. So this is giving us an additional $2 of savings. So let's grab 3 of these. We have a couple more products to grab to hit that $20 mark. Then we'll go over the final cost per product. The next item we're grabbing is some Tide Pods. They are $4.94 this week and they're included in the deal. In today's PG insert, some inserts have Tide, some do not. We have this $2 off 1 coupon. If your inserts did not come with those coupons, you can also print them. It's a one-time print per month at pgeveryday.com. When you print it, it expires in 24 hours. So definitely print it the day you want to use it so you don't run into any issues. And the last item we're gonna grab is one of these smaller Tide liquids. I'm gonna grab the one with Downy. They're $5.94 this week. So let's add this to our cart. And we have another coupon in our PG insert for $2 off of 1. So let's go over the totals for all 5 products. So this is everything we're grabbing in our PG deal for this week. Remember, it is a limit of 1. Total for these products is $22.88. I do have a CRT for the Pantene that I forgot to mention. It's $2 off of $7, so I will be adding that in with this deal. After all of the coupons and CRTs, I'm gonna be left to pay $11.88 out of pocket. Then we're gonna get back that $5 extra buck, making our final cost $6.88 for all 5 items, or about $1.37 each, which is amazing because these right here will probably last me a little over a month. Another great deal on razors is going to be Gillette and Venus Disposable. They're $7.99 each, and when you buy 3, you'll get an $8 extra buck. So you would grab one of these Gillette Disposables. There's a 12 count. There are some other ones included that you could grab instead, like these. They're $7.99. You're going to use this $3 off one digital coupon. Now let's go over to the women's side and grab 2 more. Then we're gonna grab 2 of the Venus Disposables. We have this $3 off one Venus digital coupon, and we have $3 off one coupons in our PG insert, one for women's and one for men's. So if you wanted to grab 2 men's and 1 women instead, you can do that. So total for 3 is $23.98. If you have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll wind up paying $9.98 out of pocket, getting back an $8 extra buck, making it $1.98 for 3, or about 65 cents each. Okay, so we are back, and I want to share with you guys my receipts from all of the deals that I showed you in today's video. We did 2 more transactions. I always like to separate it into different transactions. That way my out-of-pocket cost isn't high. I always pay with Fetch Rewards gift cards, so my out-of-pocket is always 0, which is awesome. But if you're new to couponing or you're just starting out, what I would recommend is start small. Do 1 or 2 deals per transaction. That way you can roll those extra bucks into your deals to keep your out-of-pocket as low as possible. And if you're new to couponing at CVS, I do have a video that I will link below for how to coupon there, how I put together my transactions. There's also some great information on my website for you as well. Go to briecouponqueen.com, click newbie, start here, the tab at the top. Tons of information if you're just starting out couponing, where to get inserts, coupon lingo, things like that. It's all there for you. So I want to go over my receipts. We have 2 receipts that we have. We did that P&G deal, which is awesome. We wound up hitting beauty again, I think 1 more time during all the deals that we did in this haul, which is awesome. So all that will be updated in the printable breakdown listed in the description box. So the first transaction, we went ahead and did the PG deal. So we got the Pantene, the Tide Pods, and I did the Tresemme deal in this one as well. So this one rang in at half off. They were buy 1, get 1 half off. I gave them the paper coupons that I had. Then the 2 off of 7 Pantene came off, which is awesome. And that is it. Everything else I gave them was a paper coupon. I didn't really have many digitals or CRTs with this deal. So I rolled 2 different extra bucks here. Final out-of-pocket cost was $4.65. Wound up using a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Always submit this receipt to pggoodeveryday.com. It's a rewards program when you're buying P&G items. You will get 50 points per P&G item, and you can submit up to 3 receipts per day. So this receipt alone, you'd wind up getting, I don't think Tresemme is a PG item, so you'd wind up getting like 250 points, which is the maximum per receipt. They have a great rewards program, gift cards, you can do beauty experiences, hotel gift cards, you name it. But I think you can only redeem 2 rewards per 6 months or something like that. I don't use it too often, but always good for more rewards programs. And my other receipt that I wound up doing, I had the Dove on this receipt, but I showed it in the first CVS haul video. Then we got Wet n Wild, CoverGirl, and L'Oreal. So that is 3 right there. Definitely hit beauty at least twice, actually, I think, in this haul, because L'Oreal, we wound up spending $30 right there. So we got a $3 beauty buck. It should hit the account within about 2 days, 48 hours, give or take. So all of the coupons that I gave them, the paper coupons, are here. The 2 CoverGirl digitals came off, which is awesome. The Dove Men Plus Care Digital came off. L'Oreal Paris, $2 eye. 10 off of 30 L'Oreal. We had $5 L'Oreal Paris eye or lip, CRT. Then we had 4 off of 10 Wet n Wild. It's so hard to read this backwards. 4 off of 10 Wet n Wild, 3 off 12 Dove body wash, which is great. Then we had the $2.50 for the Dove body wash. The rest I rolled some extra bucks. Final cost would have been $11.09 including taxes, but I did use a Fetch Rewards gift card again, making my out-of-pocket cost $0. And then I did submit the Dove to Ibotta. I got back $4 on that, and I showed that in my first video. That rebate was expiring in about 2 days, so always check your app, see if it is still available so you don't wind up purchasing something, expecting the Ibotta rebate, and it may have been taken down. They always have expiration dates on them, but sometimes if enough people are getting the Ibotta rebates and submitting for it, Ibotta will take it down randomly. So we kind of never know. You always want to scan in store, and I submit my receipts right when I get back in the truck so I don't worry about it, possibly disappearing by the time I get home or the next day or anything like that. Always submit your receipts immediately. And for Fetch Rewards gift cards, I get a lot of questions about that still. There is a video linked below in the description box for how to use Fetch Rewards, how to redeem your gift cards, and how to use them in store. Now remember, you can only redeem 1 gift card every 6 hours. So if you need a $10 gift card, get it. Instead of trying to get a $5 and then trying to redeem for another $5, it won't let you. That's happened to me in the past, and it's such a bummer. So make sure you only redeem or only try to redeem 1 every 6 hours. Otherwise, it won't let you. It's like a security feature for Fetch Rewards. All of my referral codes for Fetch and Ibotta are linked in the description box as well, and Shopkick is also listed below, which is awesome. All of the rebate apps that I use, they're all free to join, so you may as well join them. It takes me literally a minute to submit my receipts and get all of my rebates back. So I would say that's definitely worth it. Just like with the Tresemme deal that I did on my first receipt, it took me a minute to submit that, and I got back $4.40. So I would definitely say a minute is worth $4.40. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite deal is. If there was another deal that I missed, let me know. Share it in the comments below so everyone can take advantage of those deals also. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my first CVS video, click this video here so you can see even more deals. And if you're not currently subscribed, hit the subscribe button right here. Join the family and all of the amazing savings that we share on this channel almost every single day. I'd love to have you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.